So here is the simplest way I found to teach your kid about the timing. Okay, so you be with me, because just by using mobile you can ask her the time, and she or he will tell the exact timing as well. Okay, so you be with me, I'll tell you all the functions. Okay, so that it will help you to understand, right? So now let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, you will find some functions here left hand side. So these functions are to change color. So now it is orange, green, blue. And these on off, you will find some bubbles here. Okay, you can see some bubbles. These bubbles you can on off. If it is on, it will be helpful to rotate the hours hand like this. Okay, and when you will change the color, automatically the minute hand color also will change according to this diagram color. Okay, so now you will have some options over here as well, on off and 12 and 24 hours. So what will happen if you select this one 24, so it will give you hours in 24 format. Okay, you can see if you select 24. Okay, now you can see it is giving the time in 24 hours manner, and if you select 12, then it will be in 12 hours manner only. Now this is very important. So this number over here, you can see it is giving some number, right? So this number, if you want to on and off, so how you can do that? So just you make it off and ask what is the time now. Okay, so once he or she tell the time, then you on it and show him or her the exact timing. Okay, to match it if it is correct or wrong. Now you will have some option over here, minutes and on off over here actually. Okay, so this will help you to on and off the minutes hand here. Okay, you can on off, and hours hand also you will have similarly here. So that one also you can on off our end. So, and also you will find 5 tables. Okay, 5 tables they have mentioned to count the time. Okay, everywhere like 50, 55, 60. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like that they have mentioned exactly the minutes and time also. Okay, 5 tables. So now what you will do, you keep changing the, you rotate hours or minute hand. Okay, first you start with rotating hours hand. For example, now it is 8:20, so you off the timing and ask what is the time now. Okay, then again you move slowly the minute hand. Okay, again you move slowly the minute hand and ask, because it will be 8 only, so 8:50 now. Okay, so now it will be 8:55, like that. So now once he or she understand the hour hand function, then you rotate slowly the hour hand also. Okay, forward, and also tell him that if you rotate hour hand, minute hand also automatically rotates. Okay, and forward, backward. Okay, in this way, sometimes you move it forward, sometimes you move it backward. Similarly the minute hand as well, backward you move and forward you move, because when you move forward, it will add. Okay, the time will it gets added, and if you move it backward, then it will deducted. Okay, so like that you can teach your child the time easily using your mobile phone, and this game is completely for free. I'll put the link in the description box for you. You can check them out. There are lots of games actually, and I highly suggest you visit our website, because we have published so many products. Some of them are free if you want. Okay, here you will find our product sections, and you can download them and just give it to your kids to play. Okay, you can see, you can just download our free products as well. Okay, if you want, and we have already published lots of videos. Okay, I highly recommend you watch. Okay, to learn those things. So thank you so much. Please smash the like button and take care. Bye bye.